The big game's this weekend, and while both teams are getting in last-minute practices, we're making sure we have everything we need to make our game day feast a winner. And this year, as part of the lineup, we're making homemade potato skins. The first thing we do is bake about a half a dozen russet baking potatoes that we brushed with oil. Once they're fork tender, we let them cool for a few minutes before cutting them in half. Then, with a soup spoon, we scoop out the pulp. Just make sure you leave enough so the potato skins keep their shape. Then we brush them with some veggie oil that we season with a few off-the-shelf spices, and back into the oven they go. While those crisp up, it's time to get our toppings ready. You can make these in advance so they're ready when your gang shows up. And whether you set these out at kickoff or halftime with all the must-have toppings, you know, everything from chili and cheese to crumbled bacon and sour cream, you can't miss. You can even make mini ones that are super fun. To get the recipe for our baked, not fried, halftime skins, all you need to do is go to our website. It's that easy. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a
game day winning way
for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Remember?
Mm-hmm.